Sounds like a humming then. Behind me.
I don't know what it is, Aaron.
That was crazy, now it's stopped. There's the end.
How the fuck is out of bounds? Shit out of here.
Hello? 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 This one ain't that good.
Kicked your ass, motherfucker. You're a fool.
What the fuck are you talking about?
The game, the guy that beat me 14-2. And I come back and won. Nuka? You better recognize, motherfucker. Tell him, baby.
In the Texas and Louisiana woods lurk giant ape-like creatures which have folks down here scared for their lives.
You can't wrap your mind around this thing when you see it.
7.5, maybe 8 foot tall, and the shoulders was, say, every bit that wide. Now, a group of vets, ex-lawmen, and a hardcore woodsman is hunting the creature to protect the public and harvest its specimens. They are the GCBRO, Gulf Coast Bigfoot Research Organization.
Science says it doesn't exist. They don't have a body. Our agenda is to go ahead and put them on the slab.
The body of one adult male is the only way our government will admit that these creatures do exist.
Why do you want to go back? Right?
Huh?
Why do you want to go male?
How tall do you think this creature was?
I would say every bit of 8,
Between East Texas and northern Louisiana, monsters keep coming. Seems every week folks are seeing something.
It is some kind of monkey. It's gotta be. Been here forever and ever and ever. There's a few thousand here. They're everywhere.
Yes, I know what I thought. Because we could see the black silhouette of it, and it was at least 6 foot tall. And it had red glowing eyes, but they weren't